It's a wonderful opportunity and a wonderful occasion for all of us to be here today. Uh, it's particularly salient that we are here for inauguration of Finestar's facility in Namibia when we see a great turmoil in the world, not just in the diamond industry but in several other sectors as well. So we are deeply grateful to Government of Namibia and all its entities for their support in making this dream come today. In fact, when it comes to exports now, India is Namibia's second largest partner after South Africa. And it's something which has happened for the first time, and we find that absolutely exhilarating. But what I find equally interesting and fascinating that a number of our best Indian companies like Finestar are now calling Namibia home. They have come here, they have established themselves here, they have brought absolutely state-of-the-art technology here, which has to be seen to be believed. And I would like to conclude by wishing them newer heights of success in Namibia and in all over the world. Thank you so much.